Said I was gonna shut up, didn't I? God. Guy runs his mouth nonstop, doesn't he? I mean, Big Bear weather and more. It should be Big Bear runs his mouth and more. All right, I'll shut up.
Subscribe now.
Hello and goodbye. You know what? I need to turn this on. I remember why I had it on now. To keep the window defrosted, even though it's loud and annoying, kind of like me sometimes. But I hope you guys realize how much of risks I am taking for you guys also, because I love doing this too though. So I would probably do it anyway, but I love it. And I'd rather take the risk than you guys take the risk. If I'm not gonna make it in this weather, you're definitely not gonna. And I'm not trying to say I'm really good at this, but I really think I'm better than most. Because I do this all the time. What I do for a living is drive anyway. And then I have my YouTube channel, so. Our YouTube channel. Today, but yeah, I mean, just look at all this snow over here, you guys. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. This is like Mammoth now. This is the type of snow that I yearn for living here, and we rarely get it. So I'm really happy about it, obviously. So impressed with these tires, you guys. I can't wait to tell you guys what kind of tires they are. As I said, unfortunately, the darn receipt didn't tell me what type of tires they were. So, and the guy hooked me up big time. He was like, bro, I am so busy. I'll tell you what, if you come and just pick up the tires and put them on yourself, I will hook them up for you for cost. So he did. I checked because I got them cheaper than you can get them anywhere else. Wow, look at the roofs on here, guys. Just a lot of snow. Just incredible, these tires. That's pretty cool. Look at that truck. That's pretty cool. Look, he's having trouble though in that Jeep. That's I don't mean to laugh, but when you're spending that kind of money lifting your truck and doing all this stuff and you're stuck on something this mild, just cracks me up a bit. I'm not trying to be a jerk, you guys, but that really does crack me up. Just proves you don't need to spend that much money, guys. Man, look at how pretty it is. All right, just in heaven. I mean, two of the happiest things ever. I get Thanksgiving Day with snow like this, and I get to be with my mom. Just awesome. Just freaking awesome. This guy better not be going straight. He is, of course. Dude, these things grip like a champ. Just for giggles, we're gonna take this last back part of Moon Ridge right here, where they probably didn't shovel any snow or plow any snow. Nope, doesn't look like it. Shall we make? Oh, guys, are we gonna make this? You know what? I don't think we can make it over that berm. I really don't think we can make it over that berm. I'm not even gonna try it. Wow, that is awesome. But I do want to go back there. Just a winter wonderland, you guys. Oh my goodness. You know what? We're gonna drive around there and we're gonna blast out through that berm, okay? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna come out through that berm. So we'll be the first tracks in that lot, in that massive amount of snow back there. So we're just gonna go right over here. Gotta love the 2019 Subaru. Oh my gosh, are we even gonna make it on this street? Guys, I don't think so. I don't, you know what? I mean, oh my gosh, I can't believe oh my gosh. I don't know if this was too smart, guys. Look at how deep this is. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. You know, we're just gonna have to hit the gas and just fly. Because this thing's scrape, oh, look, see, it's scraping, it's higher than the car. Or higher than the bottom of the car. It's deep in the bottom. It's like making like a wake. Like a boat would. Guys, this is nuts. Oh my God. Oh no. My train horns are probably getting so messed up right now. That's okay. Oh my God. Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can't see anything. Okay guys, this is gonna be a problem. I don't think I'm going to be able to get out of here. God, please let me through here. I will not do this again. Oh God, you know what guys, we're just going to have to blast through the end here, okay? I hope we can make it. Wow, this is some deep snow. I've never driven in this deep without any type of like tire protection or anything. Oh my gosh, guys. Look, blast! Go, 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 go! Yeah! I can't believe we made it. I cannot believe we made it. Oh my God, guys. That is insane. Excuse me for using the Lord's name in vain on Thanksgiving. You know, I'm not a really religious person, but I respect people who are. So, I am Jewish technically, but I respect people who are and who go to church and do all that stuff. Okay guys, we're gonna turn left here and there's nothing compared to what we just went through. We'll be so good. We're so good. That was sick. Oh my God. Guys, that was epic. I didn't think we were getting out of there. You guys see it was like 2.5 feet deep. I didn't think we were getting out of there. And the snow kept on like, it was so deep that the hood of the car was driving through the snow, not the tires, the hood of the car. These tires are the best. Okay, I'm done being so happy. I can't stop like giggling right now. Oh my God, dude! If you guys see like the perma grin on my face, you're like, oh my God, look at that crackhead. All right, this is insane. I cannot believe we just made that. Thank goodness someone made that path for us, or I don't think we would have made it. Please, guys, don't try that at home or away from home. But cars everywhere. But then again, it is Thanksgiving dinner time. So this is the road we just went down. Look guys, we just turned down here. Are you kidding me? We just turned through here and drove all the way out there through the deepest. I can't believe we just did that. We just went through a berm like that on the left, guys. The snow was that deep the whole way without chains or anything. Did it even struggle? Not at all. Watch, we're gonna try to get some, there we go. We're gonna try and get loose here, but it's not really gonna do much. Okay, now there's a bunch of cars, gotta slow down. But when you're wide open right there, dude, you gotta have some fun. Okay, we are home. Take a look at the driveway again so you guys can see how deep it is. Look at what I have to drive through just to get into my driveway. But look at, oh, barely even making it into the driveway. Look at that. Look at the left. Man, that's deep. Can't even see my neighbor's car anymore. She has a Honda. She had a Honda. Now she has a Snonda. All right. That was freaking bad. Aish. All right, guys, that was so much fun. That was so much fun. Love you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. I'll upload this in a moment. Bye.